this is Renee Kurtz for your monthly dose of dental health. Now that your kids are back at school, it's time for mom and dad to start thinking about themselves again. Over time, dentally, teeth will start to move forward and will start to shift, and people can feel that their lower teeth start to get a little bit crowded, or if someone had braces as a child and they feel like their teeth are starting to move again, not only is it a cosmetic issue, but it also can be very difficult to clean in between the teeth. So our office is using a new product called Ortho FX. It is clear aligners that you wear on your teeth instead of brackets on your teeth. I'm actually wearing some right now. They're very comfortable, and it is actually very affordable. It is not like the ones you do at your house. Please don't ever do those. But if you ever wanted to come in for a consult and straighten out your teeth, give us a call. The product is Ortho FX, and you can check us out on mycheshiredentist.com. Thanks.